Hi there, and welcome to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you, yes you, Algebra 1. And in this exercise, we're going to continue on in our lesson on horizontal and vertical lines, where we're going to look at exercise number 2, where it says on the grid below, plot the points -3, 2 and -3, 7. So let's go ahead and plot the point -3, 2 and -3, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then graph the line that passes through these 2 points. So I'm going to graph the line that passes through those 2 points, nice straight line. And I'm going to put arrows on the edge of that line to show that that line goes on forever in both directions. State 2 more points on the graph line. Well, I'll go for the obvious right here, and I'll type in -3, 0, not typing right in. And also, let's go down here because we don't have any in this quadrant, so we'll do -3, comma, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about that one? And we're going to have -3, 5. So just like in exercise number 1, and if you didn't watch exercise number 1, I suggest you go back to take a look at exercise number 1, very important. What do all 4 of these points have in common? And similar to exercise number 1, all 4 of these points now have an x value that's the same. So they all have an x value of -3. So how could we write the equation of that line? Well, if x is always going to be equal to -3, we're going to have an equation of a line x equals -3. And the way I like to remember that one is that when we have a vertical line, it only crosses through the x-axis. So it's going to be an x equals line. The point at which it crosses through the x-axis, in this case at -3, will be what x is equal to. So if this vertical line were to cross through at 8, it would be x equals 8. If it was a vertical line at x equals -10, it would be x equals -10, and so on and so forth. And if you take a look at these little messages at the bottom, these little notes for you, for any horizontal line, the equation is going to be y equals a number, where that number is the y-intercept. And for vertical lines, it's going to be x equals a number, where that number is going to be the x-intercept. Now, if this video was helpful for graphing perhaps your first vertical line and writing the equation of that vertical line, give this video a thumbs up to let me know I helped you out with this topic. You're now ready for exercise number 3 in this lesson on horizontal and vertical lines. Good luck.